Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this candle holder that I'm going to be hot gluing together with this other glass vase, and this was also a candle, and I will be recycling this glass. So now that it is completely glued in together, I'm going to go outside with this black Rust-Oleum paint and I will spray paint it. Now that it's completely dry, I will start assembling it with this beautiful ribbon that I got at Amazon. And look how beautiful it turned out. You could either put a candle or you could add flowers. It's your choice. I hope you enjoy it. This vase was yellow and gray, not a fan of those colors, so I took it outside and I spray painted with spray paint in black. And these tumbling blacks, I will be gluing them with some hot glue in the bottom part of this vase. I'm just going to go ahead and put 2 rolls of this Nautical rope. And this is the way it turned out. Now you could go ahead and add the flowers of your choice. I hope you have enjoyed this beautiful DIY. You guys are not gonna believe that I paid 25 cents for this beautiful glass jar. I'm gonna go ahead and paint it in white as you see. And now I am going to take these beads and I am going to make a beautiful beaded necklace. And now it's time to start embellishing this beautiful piece. I am in love with it. And for 25 cents at a garage sale, you cannot beat it. And I got these leaves also from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to go ahead and put it in the front of this piece and we are all done. I hope that you have enjoyed this third DIY. Let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite so far. I hope you have enjoyed this one. So these are the items I'm going to be needing: some bamboo rings, a light of your choice, and these skewer sticks. I'll start by cutting the skewer sticks about 3.5 inches long. I'll be doing that to like about 6 pieces, and I am going to start hot gluing them right here like you see. So I'm gonna start putting some hot glue only because I'm gonna put that bamboo ring right here, just like you see. And I'm starting off with 4 pieces, but later on in the video, we're gonna add more of those bamboo sticks. Only because when I'm putting the rope that I'm about to put in, it started sinking between it, and I'm just, trying to reinforce it. So this is how it's looking so far once the rope is put in place. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that to the side, and I'm going to come in with the second bamboo ring, and I'm going to cut this piece of foam board to size, and that's going to be the bottom part, just like you see here, for the second ring. So I cut it, I made a little circle, and now with some hot glue, I'm going to put it on the bamboo ring, and I'm going to hot glue both of these pieces together. So I cut the bamboo sticks or skewer sticks about 18 inches. I cut several pieces, and now I'm going to start hot gluing them around this bamboo ring. Now it's time to glue everything together, just like you see here. So now I'm gonna add more rope to the top part of this birdhouse. I don't know if you were able to notice, but it is a birdhouse with light inside. Once I'm done putting the rope over here in the bottom part, I have some purple flowers. I also have a bird that I'm going to be putting inside, and a candle holder. It's a glass candle holder. I'm gonna wrap it around with the same rope, and that will be a riser for the bird to sit on. I hope you have enjoyed this DIY, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That does help my video. And if you have not subscribed, I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Make sure that you share this video with your families and friends. And these are the items that I'm going to be using for my next DIY. I got these little buckets at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using all 3 of them. And I got these little moss balls from Dollar Tree as well. And of course, some skewer sticks as well. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to distress these skewer sticks with this brown color from Apple Barrel. So I'm going to use the same ribbons that came in the bucket. I'm going to make 3 different bowls and I'll put them one on each. And then with a little bit of Spanish moss, I'm going to go ahead and fill it in just like you see. Go ahead and leave me in the comments section if you would have used a different ribbon perhaps, or if you would have painted these buckets a different color. I decided to leave them white only because I have some jute twine that is completely brand new in my Dollar Tree because I've never saw it before. I was so excited that I bought all different colors, and this is the one that I'm going to be using. It's brown and white. I'm just going to go ahead and hot glue around each of these buckets several times with a little bit of hot glue, of course. And then I have also this shelf from Dollar Tree that I will be putting all 3 on my wall. I hope you have enjoyed this beautiful DIY.